The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike stands out in the increasingly competitive electric bike market, combining robust performance with stylish design, making it a strong contender for both casual riders and serious commuters alike. With a peak motor power of 1800 W, this bike offers impressive acceleration and speed, allowing users to tackle various terrains effortlessly. One of the most noteworthy features of the Aipas M1 Pro is its powerful motor. The 1800 W peak motor provides ample torque, making it suitable for steep hills and off-road trails. Riders can expect a top speed of around 28 miles per hour, which is more than sufficient for those looking to zip through city streets or venture out on more rugged paths. The bike's impressive power is complemented by its sturdy frame, which is designed to handle the stresses of high-speed riding while ensuring stability and safety. The battery life on the Aipas M1 Pro is another highlight. Equipped with a 48V20L lithium-ion battery, it delivers a maximum range of approximately 40 to 65 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and riding style. This extended range makes it an excellent option for longer commutes or weekend adventures without the anxiety of running out of battery mid-journey. Additionally, the battery is removable, making it convenient for charging at home or in the office. Comfort is a key consideration when selecting an electric bike, and the Aipas M1 Pro excels in this area as well. It features a high-quality, adjustable suspension system that absorbs shocks exceptionally well, providing a smooth ride over bumpy roads and uneven surfaces. The bike is also fitted with a comfortable, ergonomically designed seat that reduces fatigue on longer rides. Coupled with the wide tires, which offer excellent grip and stability, riders can expect a comfortable and enjoyable experience regardless of the conditions. Another important aspect of the Aipas M1 Pro is its user-friendly design. The control panel is intuitive and straightforward, providing essential information such as speed, battery level, and mileage. Riders can easily switch between different assist modes, tailoring the bike's performance to their preferences. The bike features 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and traditional cycling, giving riders the flexibility to choose how they want to engage with their ride. Safety features on the Aipas M1 Pro are commendable as well. The bike is equipped with a robust dual braking system that includes disc brakes at both the front and rear. This ensures reliable stopping power even at high speeds, which is crucial for urban riding. Moreover, the bike comes with bright LED headlights and taillights, enhancing visibility during night rides and ensuring that riders can navigate safely regardless of the time of day. In terms of aesthetics, the Aipas M1 Pro has a modern and sleek design that appeals to a wide audience. It is available in various colors, allowing riders to select a version that suits their personal style. The build quality appears solid, with attention to detail evident in the finish and components used throughout the bike. On the downside, potential buyers should be aware of the bike's weight. While the sturdy construction contributes to its durability, the Aipas M1 Pro weighs around 70 pounds, which may be cumbersome for some riders, especially when navigating stairs or carrying it over obstacles. However, this weight is relatively standard for electric bikes of similar specifications, so it may not be a significant deterrent for most users. Assembly can also require some effort, as the bike comes partially assembled. While most components are straightforward to put together, some riders may find it beneficial to seek professional assistance to ensure everything is set up correctly. In conclusion, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is a robust and versatile option for anyone seeking a reliable electric bike that excels in performance, comfort, and safety. With its powerful motor, long-lasting battery, and excellent suspension system, it caters to a variety of riding needs, from daily commuting to weekend adventures. While it may be slightly heavy and requires some assembly, these minor drawbacks are outweighed by its many advantages. Overall, the Aipas M1